not getting a dime out of Tommy Wheeler. Kill the photos, kill the story.
No way, Ray. Tommy's in a tuxedo. The he-she's wearing a full bridal gown. Unbelievable.
We had a deal. I gave you Sean Walker's baby less than a year ago.
Yeah, what kind of story is that? He got the egg from his assistant? Big deal.
Big deal.
And I killed all of the Sean Walker Scientology rumors. So we're even. I'm not scared of you anymore.
You should be.
You. I'm tired of you threatening me for the past 10 years.
I'm not threatening you, Marty.
Very funny.
Very funny.
I've got protection now. I do whatever the I want. I'm gonna time it exactly. It's gonna be great when Tommy's up there accepting his award and all those cell phones start beeping.